Rumi, will you marry me?
Oh my gosh! Yes! 1,000 times yes! I love you! I have big news! Oh my god, no way! Yeah!
Congratulations.
I'm so happy for you!
What? What is this? Is this a joke? Who is this?
This is perfect, Rumi.
JINU! To the wedding!
JINU, are you okay? You look pale.
I'm fine. Again.
This three-tiered one with the roses is perfect.
Yes, it's beautiful. I love it. I can't let him get married. 5 days. Think of Rumi.
Who is this? What do you want from me?
Good morning, my love. JINU, weren't you sleeping? What happened?
Nothing.
Can't wait for our wedding.
You'd be perfect as a bridesmaid. It would be amazing to have you.
Oh, yeah, a bridesmaid. I'd love that. I'll be right back. 4 days. Don't give up, JINU.
This black one with pink details is stylish.
Who is this? Who is I? Who is this? JINU, you're hiding something. I'm being threatened. If I get married, someone will die. I will find them. Before the wedding.
I'm ready to be Mrs. JINU.
I'll find that number. I'll get it.
Girls, I picked out your dresses. What do you think?
JINU, you have to tell me. Okay, I'll tell you. I can't do this alone anymore. Oh, what bastard does this? Ah! Mystery. You know too? Ha! Let's unite! Someone from our circle is sending threats. We need to find them. What if we set him a trap ourselves?
Brilliant! Let's lure him into a meeting.
Send, JINU. I'm ready to talk. See you today at 10 p.m. at the cafe in Hongdae.
Finally. He gave in.
Where are you? I can't wait any longer. We read you, JINU. Be ready.
Ready, romance? Yeah, ready.
Guys, ES here.
You've come.
Show your face. Enough games.
It was me, JINU.
No.
Please forgive me.
Mira? My girlfriend? Mira? You? Rumi's best friend?
I've loved you all these years. Since school.
Why didn't you say anything then?
I was scared.
You could have destroyed everything because of your obsession. Mira! How could you?
Guys, alright, what now?
Recording started. Rumi must know everything. Now.
Tomorrow is my wedding. Darling? What happened? What? What did she do? No. No. It wasn't her. How could you? Rumi! What happened? It was Mira all this time. Oh, Rumi. Oh. What should I do? You're going to the wedding. Mira will answer Elle later. I know you want to help her, but you have to do this for yourself.
I have to do this. You can handle it. Mira's not important anymore.
She's beautiful.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to witness a beautiful union.
I love you.
I, JINU, take you, RUMI.
Forgive me, RUMI.
I take you to be my wife. Two. I take you. Two.
JINU, what's wrong?
I can't, RUMI.
What? JINU?
Forgive me, RUMI!
JINU! I'm here. Oh, ZOEY, thank you. What have I done?
MIRA, this way. Now.
Let me go! You don't understand.
You lied. I loved you and you lied to me.
How I loved you!
Abby!
MIRA, you are under arrest for threats and extortion.
Where are you, JINU? I won't leave you alone.
JINU? Are you there? Please answer me. I ran away to protect RUMI. What? To protect? Guys, JINU is not guilty. Look for him. Get him back. Mission on.
What's in it?
Where could you be, friend? Have you seen a guy in a tuxedo?
He went that way.
Signal. Present. Get the coordinates. Sending now.
Is he here?
JINU. RUMI?
JINU!
Forgive me. I didn't want to lose you, but I was threatened.
I know everything. It was MIRA.
Thank goodness. I was so worried. We'll see this through.
Together. I want to see her. RUMI, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Please. Please forgive me. I forgive you. But we're not friends anymore.
It's time, just friends.
You look so beautiful.
I've been waiting for this moment. I now pronounce you husband and wife.
To RUMI and JINU! Forever!
What does this mean?
This is just the beginning. Who is this? What happens next?